Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Ecommergy Online. Kung bago lang po kayo sa channel ko, kindly click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. Kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my video below on how to making money online, product promotions, free Bitcoin, and investment. Kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, another website, and Pinterest. Okay guys, ang pag-uusapan natin dito sa video ko on how to earn $30 per hour by watching videos on the internet, Easy Money 2020 on PayPal. Ito yung site guys, bali tatlo itong site. Unang-una, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung first site. Dito sa Google, o type lang tayo, try my UI. I-click lang po natin dito yung website usability testing user testing by Try My UI. Click mo lang yan. Yan guys, ito po yung site na kumikita ka dito ng $10 for 20 minutes. Itong site na to, ang pangalan ng site na to, Try My UI, Get the User's View. Tingnan po ninyo how can you improve your concept, watch videos of real people using your website, and find out. Ito po yung site niya guys. Tapos, ito yung how it works dito sa site na Try My UI. Set up your test. Write a list of tasks you want users to perform on your website. And then, pick your target user. Choose from a wide array of demographic factors to find the right users. And then, watch the video, collect videos to hear what users are thinking and see where they're getting stuck. See an example, click here. Ito po yung example niya guys. Here. Tingnan lang po ninyo, babasin na lang po ninyo yung paano or how it works this. Ito yung example, Try My UI. And then, click this, get paid to test. Pwede din ito guys sa desktop or your mobile phone also. A user testing result consists of video recorded from user's screen with real-time audio narration capture via microphone. Users perform a series of tasks on the test website or app and talk about what they like and dislike. Below are some examples of typical Try My UI user test results. Yan po guys, itong mga example kung paano or how it works. Tapos, punta tayo dito guys sa Get Paid to Test. Ayun guys, ito po, become a Try My UI tester. Get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. At Try My UI, we help make the website easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into the sites and apps. All you have to do as a tester is be yourself. Use the test website exactly as you would in a real-life situation and voice your thoughts and frustration out loud so that the site developers can understand your experience and others like you. Kumikita ka ito guys, $10 for every 20 minutes. Ang gagawin lang po ninyo dito, become a Try My UI Tester. Fill up this form, your name, at kailangan po ninyo may PayPal account po kayo guys kasi kung babayaran kayo dito, kumikita kayo through PayPal. Diretso yun sa PayPal ninyo. Yan po, kung wala pa ko yung PayPal, ilagay ko po sa description yung PayPal account o paano mag-sign up sa PayPal account. And then, sign up lo lang po ito guys. And then, click submit. Guys, imagine $10 for every 20 minutes kung gagawa kayo dito or become a Try My UI Tester. Okay guys, ito na po ang pangalawang site na kumikita kayo ng $10 for 20 minutes. Itong site, ang pangalan na po ito is usertesting.com. I-ano lang po ninyo sa Google, i-click lang po yung usertesting.com or isusulat ko po dito sa description sa baba ng video ko yung site na gusto po ninyo become user testing. And then, ito po yung main page niya. Basahin lang po ninyo real-time feedback from real customers wherever you work. Ito may si demo or watch video. Ito po yan guys. And then, punta tayo dito sa Get Paid to Test. I-click lang po natin ito. At tapos, ito na po guys. Top brands wants to hear from you. Get paid to share your opinions and experiences. Make things you care about better. Tapos, isulat po ninyo yung email address ninyo kung gusto ninyo maging user or tester, usertesting.com. I-click lang po ninyo yung apply. First, your email address and then apply. And then click this box. I have read and agree with the terms of use and our privacy policy. And then, babasahin po natin dito yung how it works dito sa usertesting.com na kumita kayo ng $10 for 20 minutes. How it works influence the biggest brands, latest technologies, and innovative companies while earning a little extra spending money in your spare time. Number 1, sign up lang po kayo guys, applying to join our global community by taking a sample taste. And then number 2, take taste, give feedback on the products that you love and use today. And then get paid, earn $10 for every 20 minutes, test you complete, and even more for interviews. Ito po yun guys, kumikita kayo ng $10 for 20 minutes, test you complete, and even more for interviews. And then, make your voice heard. Ito po yun, best-in-class companies rely on user testing to gain valuable insights into their products from people like you. And tingnan na po ninyo guys, marami na po dito na naging tester dito sa usertesting.com at marami na po silang payments to participants in 2019. Marami na po ang branch employees. Marami na po sila guys dito yung mga testimonial. Kindly babasahin lang po ninyo guys. And for information, kindly click this frequently asked question. Yung mga for more information na gusto kayong kumikita or how it works this page, usertesting.com. Basahin lang po ninyo yung mga question. Mayroon po yung mga sagot dyan. Ito po guys, kumita kayo ng $10 per 20 minutes. Okay guys, ito na po yung pangatlong site na kumikita kayo ng $10 for 20 minutes. Itong site na to, ang pangalan na po ito, userfeel.com. Ito po yung main page niya, userfeel.com. Tapos ito po yung sponsor niya guys, dito sa site na mabayad sila dito kung maging tester po kayo dito sa userfeel.com. Kindly babasahin lang po ninyo dito kung paano. Marami na po guys na naging tester dito at naging testimonial also. And then punta tayo dito guys sa Become a Tester. I-click lang po natin ito, Become a Tester. Okay guys, dito na po yung Become a Tester. Tester frequently asked question. May video po how it works. Babasahin ko lang po itong Become a Tester and earn $10 for test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. Read the following instructions and watch the example video to understand what our customers are looking for from a tester. Attention, read the following instruction carefully before applying. Babasahin lang po ninyo guys dito yung mga question and answer frequently, and mayroon ring mga sagot para malaman ninyo on how it works this. Tapos kakailangan po talaga guys yung PayPal ninyo, yung PayPal account ninyo, kasi yung directly to your PayPal kung babayad sila sa inyo, kung kikita kayo dito sa isang site na userfeel.com. It is free guys. Tingnan po ninyo kung how it works at magkaroon na kayo ng $10 kung maging qualified kayo dito sa site na userfeel.com na Become a Tester. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang po yung video ko tungkol on how to earn $30 per hour by watching videos on the internet, Easy Money 2020 on PayPal. Kumikita kayo itong tatlong site na to dito sa Try My UI. Kikita kayo ng $10 per 20 minutes. And then, itong isa naman, userfeel.com, kikita rin kayo ng $10 for 20 minutes. And then, 40 minutes already. And then, isang site naman, itong usertesting.com, kikita kayo ng $10 per 20 minutes. Sabi, 60 minutes equal 1 hour. Kikita kayo itong site, usertesting.com, 10 minutes. And then, userfeel.com, $10, by the way, $10, usertesting.com, userfeel, $10 for 20 minutes, ito, 40 minutes already. And then, ito namang isang site, Try My UI, $10 for 20 minutes, 20, 60 minutes already, sa 1 hour already. Kikita kayo na isang oras for $30 kung meron kayong sipag at tiyaga na maging tester ditong tatlong site na to guys. Guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. By the way guys, yung mga site ko to, isusulat ko po dito sa description ko, and please read the description kung paano kayo maging tester ditong tatlong site na to. Nakikita kayo ng $30 per hour by watching videos on the internet. Bye for now, guys. Thank you.